Arigatou gozaimasu. Welcome to Japan, a country where Asian tradition meets modern innovation. Japan is an island nation in East Asia, surrounded by the Pacific Ocean. It is made up of 4 main islands and many smaller islands. The population of the country is around 125 million. Japan uses the Japanese yen, and the official language is Japanese. Major landmarks: Mount Fuji. This majestic snow-capped mountain volcano is Japan's highest mountain at 3,776 meters. It's a popular spot for climbers and photographers. Visit during sunrise for breathtaking views. National food: sushi and sashimi. Sushi combines fresh seafood with fine-grained rice, often garnished with seaweed, wasabi, and soy sauce. Sashimi, on the other hand, features thinly sliced raw fish, highlighting its natural flavors. Popular types include tuna, salmon, and shrimp. Animals of Japan: Japanese buckwheats. As known as snow monkeys, they are famous for soaking in hot springs during winter. Visit Jigokudani Monkey Park in Nango to see their natural habitat. National sport: Kendo. Kendo, meaning the weight of sword, is a traditional martial art that uses bamboo swords, shinai, and protective armors. Japan has stunning landmarks, delicious food, and quiet animals, and exciting sports. Japan promises unforgettable memories for you. Pack your bags and start your adventure today. Thank you.